Tether Gold is projected to drop 1.8% tomorrow, CoinDataFlow forecasts. First, let's catch up on how the price has moved today. As of this update, Tether Gold has gone up 0% over the past 24 hours and is now near $4,700.40. We now turn to the analyst predictions. Tomorrow, CoinDataFlow anticipates a drop toward $4,616.93, which would mean a decrease of about 1.8%. Digital coin price anticipates Tether Gold could touch $4,646.82, marking a fall close to 1.1%. According to Gov Capital Collector, it may edge higher toward $4,713.61, an estimated gain near 0.3%. A separate projection from 30 Rates highlights Tether Gold may be on track for $4,738, a rise of about 0.8%. To conclude, crypto predictions puts the target at $4,801.77 by tomorrow, a gain of 2.2%. It's the most rewarding forecast in the list. Tomorrow's calls are done. Let's check the next move. Here's how the 5 forecasts translate into numbers and probabilities. The aggregated outlook from all analysts suggests that the price could change between a decrease of 1.8% and a gain of 2.2%, depending on the analyst. Overall, Crypto Predictions provides the leading forecast with 2.2% lift in value by May 10. Ultimately, you could collect between $3 and $22 for every $1,000 you invest. When it comes to probability rankings, Gov Capital Collector's forecast comes out on top, with a 65.1% chance of success. From the 5 forecasts, I've developed one aggregated consensus scenario. The consensus calculation indicates Tether Gold trading near $4,703.43. Let's break it down step by step. Consensus outlook shows the price advancing by 0.1%. To summarize clearly, your capital might also go up by around 0.1% if the trend follows through. In terms of 1,000, the projection might equal $1 in potential gain. In turn, the probability of the consensus forecast holding up is around 67.3%. Let's take a moment to explore the market direction for the next 3 days based on analysts' views. A slide is anticipated by CoinDataFlow, with pressure on the downside. Likewise, digital coin price forecasts Tether Gold moving lower. Gov Capital Collector emphasizes that movement will stay limited. The direction outlined by 30 Rates also points toward further gains. Meanwhile, Crypto Predictions expects an upward trajectory in the short term. With analysts in broad agreement, the consensus highlights upward momentum for Tether Gold. Altogether, 60% of forecasts indicate an upward direction, highlighting positive expectations for Tether Gold. 5 forecasts were made 2 days ago. Now we'll see which ones were accurate. At the end of the day, the market recorded $4,701.60. Yesterday showed that most analysts were right about the direction. By accuracy standards, Crypto Predictions came out strongest. Here comes the breakdown. The session's candle included 3 forecasts. Regarding ROI, several results showed gains. Crypto Predictions was the strongest performer with 0.5%. Here's the daily results overview, a quick visual of all forecast accuracy. At a glance, coin price forecast was given 65% forecast probability, $42.40 accuracy, and minus 0.5% ROI. Look at the numbers and decide who performed best. Here's a side-by-side comparison of tomorrow's forecasted performance between Tether Gold and other cryptocurrencies. At 5th position, we have Tether Gold, and Toncoin appears with an expected gain of 2.4%. Here, Tether Gold is shown next to 4 random cryptocurrencies. The extended profitability table is already featured on my website. If you came here for Tether Gold, I hope it helped. Drop a like if it did. Take care, everyone.